Dear students, in this video we are going to talk about another kind of quadratic equations. Okay, actually it does not looks like quadratic equation by this. Okay, but we need to simplify this to get a quadratic equation of standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. After that we can solve by either factorization method or quadratic formula method. Okay, so for these equations here we can write, if you take x as LCM, this will be x square minus 1 is equals to 3, right? This further gives you x square minus 1 is equals to 3x, isn't it? This implies x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. This 3x comes this side, right? So now here we cannot factorize it, so let us use quadratic formula. Here a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 1, right? Why we cannot factorize? Because we don't have such number whose product is 1 but difference is 3. Now see here, a, b and c we got. D is b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, that is b square minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 1, isn't it? Now this is equals to 3 square, this is 9, minus square is plus, minus minus plus, 4 into 1 is 4, that is 13. So d is 13. Therefore x is equals to minus b plus minus root over d by 2a, right? Or simply minus of b is minus 3 plus minus root over 13 divided by 2 into a is 1, that is minus minus plus 3 plus minus root over 13 by 2, that is x. Therefore x is equals to what we can write, 3 plus root over 13 by 2, or x is equals to 3 minus root over 13 by 2. Very simple. So factorize this quadratic formula is very simple method. Okay, if you learn how to calculate this d and the value of x. Now let us go to the next question. Here we have one simple word problem. Okay, sum of the reciprocal of Raman's is in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present is. Let his present age be x years, right? Now his age 3 years ago. 3 years ago will be x minus 3 years, and his age 5 years from now. After 5 years will be x plus 5. This is simple, right? If present is x, then x minus 3. He was 3 years younger 3 years ago, 5 years older after 5 years, right? Now as per the question, it says that sum of the reciprocal of the age, okay, that is 1 by x minus 3 plus sum 1 by x plus 5 and is equals to 1 by 3. This is your condition. Okay, sum of the reciprocal of the Raman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now, it is 1 by 3. Now here, okay, now this is a what problem. In what problem we reach to this particular situation, okay? But in many of the times there will be questions like solve for x directly from here. If you solve this type of equation, not this exactly I mean to say, not from here I mean to say, but you may get this type of question directly, okay? And how do we solve that? Because this is not quadratic right now, not in standard form I mean to say. So first of all we have to make this in standard form. Very simple, x minus 3 x plus 5 as LCM here is product, then you will multiply these two. 1 here is only 1, so it will be x plus 5 as it is, but if it is 2 or some other number you need to multiply that. Here is plus, so plus. If it is minus, minus. Now this side also 1, so that is x minus 3, cross multiplication here, simple. because by taking LCM, right? So this x plus x is 2x, 5 minus 3 is plus 2, divided by, it will be how much? If you multiply this, it will be x square plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 1 by 3. You know how to multiply. If you don't know, you multiply it in a simple way. X minus 3, x plus 5 is equals to, you multiply in a simple way, x into x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15, right? With this x you need to multiply both. Again with minus 3 you need to multiply both. You get this? That is 5x minus 3x is 2x. I have written directly. So this is your 2x plus 2 into 3, this and this cross multiplication is equals to x square plus 2x minus 15 into 1 is as it is, right? Or you can write it as, so okay, what we can write here, we can write directly x square, I'm writing this side first, plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 3 into 2, 6x plus 6, isn't it? This further implies x square plus 2x minus 6x, this comes this side, minus 15 minus 6 is equals to 0, right? This gives you x square minus 4x minus 21 is 0. 2x minus 6, that is minus 4, minus 15 minus 6, it is minus 21. So this is our standard form of quadratic equations, right? Now we need to solve this. Let us solve using factorization method, okay? So I'm writing x square minus, as you know this process, right? This minus signs comes here. Now what we need, the product should be 21. 21 into here is only 1, right? So 21 into 1, the product you need 1, but the difference you need 4. That is how much? Tell me the number. Whose, when you multiply, that should come 21. When you subtract, that should come only 4. Tell me how much? There's only one pair, that is 7 and 3, right? 7 into 3 is 21. 7 minus 3 is 4. This implies x square minus 7x plus 3x, because minus minus plus 3x, minus 21 is 0. That gives you x as a common, x minus 7 plus 3 as a common, x minus 3, 7s are 21, right? That further x minus 7, x plus 3 is equals to 0, isn't it? This gives you x equals to 7 or x equals to minus 3. This goes that side, right? But this is not accepted, since what is x? X is the remans or the age of that person, right? That means age can never be negative. If somebody say what is your age, then you cannot say minus 12 years or minus 3 years, right? So x equals to 7 is the present age. Therefore remans present is 7 years. Now see, okay, in this way, like the concept of quadratic equation can be used to solve the real life problems, okay? Now suppose you have this, okay? Now can you try yourself? You try yourself. 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x plus 5 is 1 by 6. You can try this yourself. How do you do? Just take the LCM and then do the calculation. You'll get the standard form of the quadratic equation and solve it and get the value of x.